Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition headphones. Razer are well known in the gaming industry, but what makes these headphones special is the fact that it comes with a DAC. So for those of you who don't know, a DAC is a digital analog converter, which is essentially like a mini sound card. So in theory, plugging this into a DAC and not directly into your PC should improve sound quality, unless you have a really powerful sound card already. So let's not waste any more time. Before we open it, let's look at the box. So on the front here, it's got Razer Kraken and a picture of the device. Not much there, so not much on the side. It just says Razer. On the back, there's all the key points, the market information telling you how big the drivers are, what you get. THX Spatial audio. You got a picture of the DAC there. Okay, cool. On the bottom, you got all the technical specs. So the frequency, impedance, sensitivity, all that good stuff. All right, so let's crack it open, or shall I say, cracking it open. Yeah, you can probably unsubscribe now. I won't blame you. And we will just cut this open here. Okay, let's see what we have inside the box. All right, so once we open this, ooh, headphones straight away. They look really nice, actually. Got a nice little for gamers, by gamers here. All right, so let's take them out. All right, let's take out this. All right, and then take this out. And then the wires, and that all comes out as one piece. Right, what's left in the box? So this slides out there. Oh, we've got the manual. Right, okay. Don't think there's anything else in there. Let's take a closer look.
The Razer Kraken is a gaming headset that supports 7.1 virtual surround sound and is compatible across all platforms. Although on the PS4 and some other consoles you're limited to stereo. This is because the headset is bundled with this DAC and a 7.1 upmix is done through the Razer software, which you'll be prompted to install when you plug in the device. The ear cups are made of memory foam and a heat transfer fabric, and also has a layer of cooling gel underneath. Inside the ear cups, you'll find custom tuned 50mm drivers. The technical specs are on screen now. The built-in mic is retractable, which is a very good feature if you just want to use these as headphones. The mic is clear, sounds good and noise cancelling, and you can also mute it with this button and also on the headset. These headphones are THX certified and you can enable and disable it with a button. I've tested this in Modern Warfare, which is THX compatible. It does make a slight difference. Enemy footsteps are easy to pinpoint. It's not the night and day difference that the marketing states, but the best way I can describe it is, it helps. But if your headset hasn't got it, don't lose any sleep over it. There's also this dial that alters the mix between the game audio and your party chat, but be warned, if you don't configure it properly, you won't be able to hear your party chat at all, or your game, or vice versa. Personally, I think this is counterproductive, but I'm sure certain players would welcome this feature. So after that, I tried the usual sound test by playing trailers and films and different types of music to test the full range of the sound. And yes, I played myself as well. I've heard people say these are bass heavy. I don't think that they are. I think the bass is actually quite clean. The headphones sound clearer with the DAC compared to my onboard sound card, but I find with it plugged in the highs are very strong, making it sound very sharp and piercing. Razer does include an equalizer so you can bring these down. But you shouldn't have to tweak your headphones in my opinion. What if you want to use it with a device that doesn't have an EQ? Hey, can I borrow your headphones? Sure, no problems. Are you going to be using it yourself? Yeah. Alright, go ahead and go to the Play Store and download an equalizer app. Why? I just want to use the headphones. Well, you can use them as they are, but they're a little sharp. And I'm not talking about the brand. On the plus side, they look very nice on your head, although that's subjective. But the build quality is very good, with the aluminium frame feeling very robust. The recommended price for these are £80 or just over $100. At this price point, I don't think it's worth it, but they are quite often on sale. So try to get them as close to half price as possible. I would pay about £60 max.
Right, so what did we learn? Basically, the headphones are very comfortable over long periods of time. It feels like it's resting on your head rather than clamping on. The sound quality is clear, the bass levels are fine. I didn't really like the high frequencies, but that's not too much of an issue. The built-in mic is pretty good, it's retractable, so that's good if you want to use it as a pair of headphones. Overall build quality is very good. Nice aluminium frame, braided cables are nice. Not sure how long the imitation leather is going to last though. That's maybe an issue later on down the line. Final verdicts, get these if you're a competitive shooter player. You need the THX audio to pinpoint enemies more clearly. Otherwise, there are cheaper alternatives out there like the 1ODO studio headphones which we reviewed previously. The build quality is not as good, but they are cheaper and they perform about the same. So guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and I will see you next time.
We get paid for this, right? Yeah, I'm sure he makes loads of money from YouTube, although he hasn't paid me yet. But that's probably just the pandemic slowing the banks down. Yeah, that's probably what it is.